Good evening, traders. Welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal, and you're watching Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. Seems once again a day of consolidation comes to an end. Nifty has closed almost 37 points up in green, but Bank Nifty has managed to close 79 points in minus. Now, the million-dollar question in everyone's mind is that this particular pullback, which started at somewhere around 18,837, that was where the bottom happened, and after that, the next day, I guess we had a gap up, and after that gap up, prices have rallied. Only in between couple of days, you did see a bit of sell-off happening, but again, after the 1st of November, you saw consistent 4 to 5 days of pullback continuing. Now, in terms of trend, it seems that the trend is very much flat in the daily time frame chart. Neither it is up, neither it is down. In the hourly time frame charts, we can see that the volatility has completely vanished, and you can see that the trend is up. But we need to understand the entire state of trend in slight detail over here. So first, I would like to zoom out and make you understand that after this pullback, okay, after this pullback, what has happened is there was a channel which was continuing since many days. You can see the support points and the resistance points. Okay, so this 1 and 2 are the support points. This 3 and 4 are the resistance points. Now on this day we had a breakdown. Okay, on this day we had a breakdown when the prices closed below this up channel, and then today we can see that the prices have retested the lower trend line of the upper channel. It means that we are near a stiff resistance. We are also near 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of this downtrend. And apart from that, if I check the daily time frame, the hourly time frame chart, sorry, I'll just convert this particular chart into the line chart. If you check carefully, we do have a higher high over here in price. At times you need to, zoom in too much. You can see a bit of higher high over here in price, and in RSI, we can see a lower high. If you plot the MACD indicator, at times the MACD divergence also works great. Although I don't use it quite a lot, but once in a while it's fine. So you will be able to see even there is a MACD negative divergence going up over here, but the trend is still up in the hourly time frame chart. So what does this mean? Does it mean that we have topped out? Does it mean that since we are at a resistance point, is it a good time to short? Well, it seems according to my analysis that the volatility in the daily, especially in the hourly time frame charts, is vanishing completely. It's a good sign. But again, negative divergence coming up at a resistance point is not so very good sign. Now, if prices start closing above possibly 19,500 or 19,550, then this negativity which has been created in the hourly time frame charts could probably ignored, and prices may rally slightly higher. But in case if you are not able to close above 19,550 and slowly and steadily prices start coming down, I guess swing traders should keep a close watch on Nifty. But immediately will there be a breakdown or not? It's very difficult to say, because all of you know that we are in Indian stock markets. We have a habit that generally in Diwali times prices stay inflated at higher levels just for the festive season. So it's very difficult to say as of now, but it seems a little bit of consolidation is probable. And again, as I'm saying, 19,550, if it is surpassed on closing basis, we might continue rallying higher. But if it do not close above 19,550, then bulls should be slightly careful. Let's have a look at Bank Nifty. Now, Bank Nifty, I guess one particular stock was especially, showing some sort of weakness over here. You can see the way price has closed today. And if you can check the hourly time frame charts, once again, if I convert this chart into a line chart, we can see a higher high in price, lower high in RSI, and this is a V-shaped breakout. Generally, V-shaped breakout, most of the times they fail. So these breakouts should not be traded. And coming back to Bank Nifty, if you can see properly that the trend is flat, the prices are trading within the dual moving averages, the daily charts are looking extremely lackluster. It is a time where generally traders are not at all interested in trading. And in the hourly time frame charts, it seems that the trend is up. But again, we can see over here higher high in price. If you want, I'll just try to highlight it for you. You can see higher high in price, lower high in RSI. So this is again a sign that the uptrend in the hourly time frame charts is weakening, it's waning. But again, this is not a sign to go short in the markets. I guess more weakness will only and only prevail if we have a proper breakdown in the hourly time frame charts with some big red candle happening, closing below some important levels. But as of now, I would not like to talk anything about that because I'm not a predictive trader. I'm just saying that if we have a breakdown, then possibly swing traders will start looking at the Bank Nifty charts with a good interest. And as of now, if you want to check the resistance, this is the entire resistance band according to me, from 43,880 or 43,990 to this band of 44,655. This entire band is a resistance band. Yes, you might think that how come it is possible that from 43,880 or 43,900 till this level, this entire band can be resistance. The primary reason for that, my friends, is this candlestick cluster. And this is associated with important Fibonacci retracements and even this trend line. So we need to obey this. And as of now, I guess the better way to trade is actually not to trade, wait patiently, see what's happening in the market, try to adapt with the situation right now. If the prices start rallying higher, we need to understand that is some important level taken off. Is 44 650 taken off? If is 44 700 taken off, or we are just going slightly higher and then we start coming down? All these things need to be taken in mind. I'll try to update all of you from time to time in coming days, but I guess patience will be rewarded very, very highly in the coming days. All right. So again, trade very, very less, stay patient. Good times will come back. Good times in the sense I'm talking good trades. It can be on the long side or it can be on the short side. All right. Trade wisely. Thank you.